The next characteristic for discussion are symbols and symbolism. A symbol is a mark or an image that represents an object or an idea. Now, according to Nanda and Worms, symbolic representation allow people to grasp the often complex abstract idea of religion without much knowledge or understanding of theology. So basically, it allows the average layperson to be able to understand about their religion. Symbols and symbolism are used in Taoism in many ways. The most widely recognized symbol in Taoism, even to non-Taoists, is the yin-yang symbol. The yin-yang translation means diagram of ultimate power, and the yin and yang represent polar opposite energies that make up the entire universe. So for every state, action, or feeling, there is an opposite to it. And when looking at the symbol, you can automatically sense that it's about opposition just in the coloring, the black and white, with the black representing the yin and the white representing the yang. But what you can also see is while they're opposites, they are also flowing into each other as one fluidly transforms into the other. And within each of the halves, there's a small dot with the color of the other half within it. So in the black side, there's a white dot, and in the white side, there's a black dot. And according to ancientsymbols.com, these dots represent the seed of one within the other, thereby representing that one is never totally independent from the other. And that, in essence, is yin and yang. Now, in Buddhism, there are also many instances in the use of symbols and symbolism, and we saw some when reviewing the sacred text of the Lotus Sutra. The lotus flower is a major symbol in Buddhism, and it could be a reason why the Mahayana used the lotus in the name of the key text in their sutras. The lotus represents change and the true nature of mankind. The analogy of the lotus is that the roots of the lotus flower are deep within the mud below the water surface. But as it grows into this beautiful, sweet-smelling flower up through the mud and sometimes murky water. And the teaching here is that one can rise from our suffering to reach enlightenment, beauty, and clarity. There's also more symbolism found within the symbol of the lotus flower, as different colored plants represent different things. For example, the white lotus flower means spiritual and mental purity, and the pink is representational of the traditional Buddha. And purple is for mysticism, and red means love and compassion, and blue means wisdom, according to ancientsymbols.com.